Hi everyone, my name's Kat. Welcome back to nature. So today I'm going to be looking around my backyard to see if I can find some fun things to test whether they absorb or repel water. So join me today as I go on that adventure. Okay, so I put all of my fun nature bits that I found in my backyard in this egg carton. So they all have like their own spot to sit in. I'm going to take my water bottle and I'm going to splash each one. So I'll just add a little bit here. Oh, okay, can you hear that? The water on the leaf seems to pool up a little bit. Yeah, I think you can see it absorbing a little bit of the water. But it bounced off of the surface first. Oh, this is my dog. Say hi, Maggie's. She's joining us today. Okay, now let's try this rock. It's pretty grooved, as you can see. Alright, I'm gonna predict that this one's not gonna absorb water. So I'm gonna splash a little bit of water in that one. Oh, look at that. Huh. The rock turned a different color. Got a little bit darker. So the water's definitely affected the stone a little bit. I don't think I'd say that it absorbed the water, but it definitely changed the surface and how it looks. Okay, now for our last one, check out this stick. I'm gonna try doing it on both sides, so let's see first. Oh, missed a little bit. Okay. So that definitely changed its color. But did it go through the other side? Oh, it's damp on the other side. Maybe it's just because it has a hole in it. So the bark is a little damp. See if the stick will get damp too. Oh, yeah, you can watch as like the water doesn't pool on top of it. It's slowly seeping into the wood. So I would say that this stick absorbed the water. Well, thanks for hanging out with me today as I discovered what absorbed water and what repelled it. I hope you get a chance to go outside and test this out for yourself. Go brush your teeth and see you next week.